How to change the order of images in an Instagram carousel post. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change the order of images in an Instagram carousel post. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So, to change the order of images in a carousel post, open up Instagram, go to your profile, and then go to the post that you want to reorder. Then tap the three dots in the top right hand corner above the post, and then tap on Edit. Now, delete the images you want to reorder in your carousel by clicking on the Delete button in the left hand corner of the post. Then click on Delete. Delete. Keep in mind you must keep at least 2 images in your carousel post, so you may only be able to delete 1 or 2 at a time, depending on how many images are in your carousel. So when you're done, tap the tick at the top right hand corner to save your changes. Then go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right hand corner. Then tap on Your Activity. Scroll down to Recently Deleted. Then open the image you want to add back into your carousel. Tap the 3 dots in the top right hand corner, then tap on Restore. This image will be added back into your carousel post at the end of the carousel. Repeat to remove and restore images from your carousel to move them to the end of your carousel post. And that's what it takes to change the order of images in an Instagram carousel post. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.